Hey everyone, Domino Jack here, and today I am filming about some Logitech G products that I received. Full disclosure, I am a Logitech G affiliate. They send me some stuff from time to time, which is really cool. I do love the Logitech products. I have a fair few of Logitech products already, and I had Logitech G products before I became a Logitech G affiliate. And what they've sent me now is this really big box. And I'm not exaggerating. Look at the size of this thing. Also, this at the front of it, I don't know if you guys can see this mark. That was my doing. The box did not originally look like this. The box was perfect. The box was perfect. It was white. It was beautiful. And I accidentally got the sticky tape from the delivery box stuck on it and then tried to tear it off. And so this is my doing. This is me. This is not them. So yeah, they sent me this massive box. Now, another full disclosure thing. They emailed me about this box. They told me about this box. They told me about the contents of the box. I then proceeded to forget everything that they told me, and then the box arrived, and I actually don't remember what's in it. I have seen other creators posting things that's in it. I've been trying to very fast scroll away or not look at it, because I can maybe have some surprise still left. But yes, this is the massive box, and we're gonna open it and have a look to see what's inside. Okay, because this box is so large, I'm gonna put it on the floor. And yes, I am wearing little Uggy slippers because it's cold and they keep my feet warm. Okay, I gotta get off the desk. This thing is also it's not super heavy, but it's up there. Oh. Does it fit? Oh good, it does fit in camera. Okay. Okay, there we go, big box. Okay. Ho, ho, ho. Ooh, okay. Ah, that was loud. Oh, okay, wow, there's a thing, hang on, there's a thing in here. I was like, what is this, plastic thing? Hang on, that's pretty cool. Okay, so it's a nice print to just show you, the 10 years of the G502. So I actually I think I had that one. I had one of these G502s, wired, years and years ago. And it was one of these two. It's either the Proteus or the Hero. Actually, it might have been Hero. I think it was Hero. And then I got the Lightspeed version. And so I actually gave that to a friend whose mouse had broken because they didn't have a mouse anymore. And I wanted to play Overwatch, so I gifted them my mouse. But yeah, so they've given you this nice little printout. It's like a plastic or something. But yeah, okay. And then, all right, a bunch of stuff in the box. Let's have a look. Okay, so the first thing is they've given me a bottle. A cup flask thing. Looks like it's aluminium or something. It says it's insulated. It's a tumbler. That's actually really cool. That's actually a great size to put my coffee in for work. So this might be my new coffee cup. Okay, so we've got that. We've got a tumbler. That's kind of cool. Let me get rid of the plastic. We've got some cute little pins. Ugh. They're very well wedged in there. I can't get them out to show you guys. I guess I just have to actually take them off. There we go. Pin. That's the first one. And then the second one is the mouse. G502. Did I show you the mug? Probably, I don't know if I did, sorry. So that's the tumbler. So it says G502, 10 years, or X years, so 10. So yeah, so there's that. There's the pins. And then I think this looks like a carry case, which I'm guessing is going to be, I bet this is going to be a mouse. I've seen the mice. I've seen people put that up on socials already. So this is going to be some sort of carry case. Hard carry case. Whoop, hello. Strap fell out. Cute. Oops. Oh, it's fine. I thought I just broke it. So yeah, case to put your mouse in, I guess, if you want to, travel with your mouse and travel with it safely with your cables and everything. This, as you guys can all see, is a gaming pad. Ugh. It says it's a large cloth gaming pad. I currently have a gaming pad, but you can never have too many gaming pads. I'm going to be honest. It's always good to have a backup gaming pad if you're ever like me and spill chocolate milk all over your desk and need to replace everything. That's very pretty. It's got a big X on it. It's also smaller than I would use for a gaming pad. Like, I like to use really big long ones that take up most of my desk, but it feels very nice. It's got a very nice clean feel to it. To be honest, this make a great Magic the Gathering mat. This may end up at Magic the Gathering events with me instead of on my desk. Because it's kind of pretty as well. It's kind of got like a pretty image on it and stuff. So there we go, there's the mat. Just gonna put that to the side for the moment. And then of course, the mouse. Let's have a look. The plastic is very well on this. Oh, hang on, from the top. There we go. Comes off from the top. Ooh. Okay, so the packaging's really nice as well. Like, you can see it's got this shiny silver print all over it, and I studied graphic design and I really love like really nice print jobs, so I really appreciate and like this because it just adds that extra something to it, so I kind of dig that. Let's get this open. Oh, I almost dropped it. Look at that. Kind of matches the design of the colors of the mat and stuff, but there we go. So this is a G502. It's going to be this one, the G502 X line. So this is going to be the latest one that has just come out. So you can, I don't know how well you guys can see it there. It's got a lot of like side buttons and things. I'm just going to come up to make sure you guys can see this. So as you can see, it's got extra buttons that you can press. Spin wheel in the middle. Buttons on the side. It's got 3 on the side. Has 2 extra like at the top here on the side as well. So you get your normal left click, right click, 2 there, and then another 3 on the side as well. I have quite small hands, but if your hands are bigger, I think this mouse is really, really good. For someone like me who has small hands, if you grip, you can still like click. You can click quite far down, which is nice. But yeah, and then we have the satisfying peel off of that. Ooh. And I ruined it! Nice. You can put the USB inside those little things there. Very nice. And then, of course, it comes with a USB to plug it into your computer. So you have a wireless mouse. Okay, so that was everything in the box. You have the sign card that has all the different mice on it, the travel case, the tumbler, of course, the mouse celebrating the 10 years, the little pins as well that were received, and the really, really nice playmat that, again, I might take to Magic the Gathering Arena. Now look, this is a good mouse. I like this mouse. The G502, as I said, is one of my first mice. It's stumped me now. But yeah, this is one of the first mice that I had. It's really nice to get to be a part of this celebration of 10 years for Logitech G. So yeah, thank you so much, Logitech, for including me in celebrating 10 years of this mouse. Yeah. Really nice, really pretty, and this is probably going to go with me to some Magic the Gathering games, I think, as a playmat. Yeah, awesome. If you yourself have a G502 or have used a G502, let me know. Let me know in the chat. Do you like the mouse? Do you not like the mouse? Is it one of your favorites? Tell me. Share it with everybody. So, like the silly girl that I am, I didn't realize until after I had, I thought I was done. I thought I'd grabbed everything and it was done. And then I just noticed this says lift out on the corners. Like, as you can see, I've taken everything out, and then I saw this lift out. I was like putting the box away, and I was like, well, hang on, there's something else. So we're gonna lift this up. Let's take a look. Let's see. They've put a G502 in a case. Hang on. They've framed it. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry. It's a numbered edition. It is a limited edition and it's numbered. I'm just gonna get that guard off the screen because it's got that frosty look. So we do need to just, oh my gosh. Okay, I got it dirty, but that's on me. But it's a G502 in a frame. That's pretty cool. I didn't realize that was in the bottom of the box, but there you go. So when I said like that was everything I got in the box, I was wrong. There was a hidden secret at the bottom of the box. Really cool. Really, really cool.